As a change manager focusing on technical adoption, it's important for me to know exactly what are those key technology tools that are going to increase our productivity. In Microsoft 365, Workflows happens to be that specific tool. Let me show you how to use it. With Workflows, it's really a technology that will allow you to kind of create automations inside of Microsoft Teams. To go ahead and use it, you're going to click on the ellipsis over here, all right? And you're just going to write workflow into that search, all right? Everybody should have access to that. We're going to go ahead and click on workflows. And now it's going to take me to the workflows window. In workflows, you can see that I have a lot of different templates, automation templates that I can actually leverage. Workflows is connected to Power Automate. So what that means is that you can create automations inside of Microsoft Teams that are very, very easy to use. Let me show you how to create one. To actually go ahead and create productivity workflows, I do this all the time in my own job. What I'm going to do is I scroll into the Create section over here in Workflows. I scroll all the way to the bottom. I see this productivity. I select it. I'm going to get a selection of different templates that I can actually choose from that are going to help me increase my productivity. I actually want to see all the templates that are available for me to use. So I'm going to click on all templates over here. And the one I'm actually looking for is the scheduling a reply. What that means is that when somebody responds to me, and maybe it's on a Saturday, and I want to respond to that message, I can actually schedule a reply for that reply to go out on a Monday, but I can write it on a Saturday. All right, so here it is over here, schedule a reply. I can click on schedule a reply. Automatically, as you can see, it signs me in. All I have to do is just click over here, create flow. When it's done, we're going to see that that workflow has been added successfully, and it's going to give you an actual step-by-step on how you can go ahead and execute that specific workflow. In this case, I can go to a conversation where I want to schedule that reply. I can click on more options, and then I can select schedule reply. Let's explore what that looks like. All right, let me show you what it looks like inside of a message. So inside of a message, maybe Adele sent me this on a Friday and it's a Saturday and I want to respond, but I don't want to bug Adele with messages on her weekend. I can actually schedule a response, and what I'm going to be able to do is I can click on the ellipsis. I can go ahead and go to more actions, and in more actions, I'm going to see this schedule a reply. This is going to allow me to schedule my reply on a specific date. That way I can actually write my reply to Adele on a Saturday and schedule it for Monday. In this case, I'm going to schedule it for the 14th over here. I'm going to put a time that I'd like to have that specific message sent. It's going to be 9:30 a.m. And then I'm going to say thank you. All right. And I'm also going to click here so I can notify myself when this message has been sent. I'm going to submit that. And voila. In the future now, once Monday hits, Adele is going to get a response to that message, and I did not even send it. I love working with workflows because it automates my day. If I'm looking to delete my workflow that I've created, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my home button over here, okay? And in here, I can go ahead and turn off or turn on any one of those automations I've created, all right? If I want to go ahead and delete the automation, all I have to do is go to the right corner over here on the ellipsis, click on the ellipsis, and go ahead and click delete. Use this tool to boost your productivity. Good day.